Many Android developers prefer to test their apps on physical devices whenever possible. You see more of a real-world experience than with a virtual device, and you can deal with all the sensors that the physical device offers. If you're working on Microsoft Windows, you need to install a device driver to connect your device to your development computer. If you're working on Mac OS X, you don't need to go through these steps at all, and you can skip to the next video. First, connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. Then, go to the Control Panel and go to the Device Manager. If your device already has a driver installed, it should show up here under Portable Devices. I currently have a Nexus 5 attached. If you don't have the right driver installed, you'll need to install it. For Nexus devices, you can download the appropriate driver using the SDK Manager. I'll go back to Android Studio and then to Tools, Android, SDK Manager. Then after the SDK Manager loads everything, I'll scroll down to the bottom to the Extras section. And I'll make sure that the Google USB driver is installed. If it says not installed, check the option and go through the install process. The USB driver is installed under your SDK folder. My SDK folder is under Android/SDK under my home directory. And from there's an Extras folder and a Google subfolder, and under that, the USB driver. If you're working with a device from Samsung or HTC or some other vendor, you'll need to get the driver from that vendor. Now that I've verified that I have the USB driver downloaded, I'll go back to the Device Manager. Now, if you don't see your device under Portable Devices, look for a category labeled Other Devices, and you'll probably find it there. Then go to the device, right-click, and choose Update Driver Software. Click Browse My Computer for driver software, and then browse to that USB driver folder. I'll select it right here. I'll click OK and click Next. On my computer, I get a verification that I have the latest driver software already installed. But if you need to install the software on your computer, just follow the rest of the prompts. Once you're done with the installation, once again, it should show up under Portable Devices. But if you still can't see the device, try rebooting your computer and then unattaching and reattaching the device using the USB cable. If all else fails, go to the vendor's website and get some support there. Each device and vendor is different, and you'll need to have the driver installed on Windows before you can connect it to Android Studio.